two premium 360 cameras, both shooting 8K, both under $550. But they are not the same camera. I'm Tony, and this is Big T Honest Reviews. Let's break it down fact by fact. The X5 is taller and longer, 124.5 millimeters versus 81 millimeters on the Osmo 360. The Osmo 360 is noticeably more compact. Insta360 X5 weighs 200 grams. Osmo 360 weighs 183 grams. That 17-gram gap means nothing in your hand and everything on your head after a full day. The X5 has replaceable lenses. Crack one? Swap it in 30 seconds at home. The Osmo 360? You're shipping the whole camera to DJI for repairs.